Be, basta, ka lang. Kulang cool. I think this is a parang bulwagan or activity area. May mga tables, wooden tables. This can house up to 10 packs or more, 10 heads or more. Malaki to eh. Pero yung rate nila is 10,000 for 10 heads, and then may additional na. Wow. Okay, so parang low. Oh yes, this is the best view inside the house. So finally, departure na tayo. Our destination right now is Babao, Davao, located in Tagurano, somewhere before Eden. Same road, kung saan yung papunta ng Eden, doon rin yung punta rin natin. But instead of going to Eden, merong before umakyat tayo ng Eden talaga, merong parang Y. So that's right, puntang Tagurano. Okay, so let's go. Time to spare, so let's buy some stuff for breakfast siguro, and mga anik-anik. So we just arrived here at Babaw Davao. Touchdown! Wow! Ganda ng overlooking. You can see the city overlooking here at HD Farm, Babaw, Davao. Yan nga, nasa babaw talaga tayo ng Davao. Wow, what a nice place. Ganda. Yan si Kuya Johnny. Oh, simpleng ulam.
Leftover sa bahay.
For lunch. Hi, Maggie.
Hi, welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog. Okay. It's so windy. So, no one's around except yung mga staff dito. If you look at it, parang, I don't know, because maybe it's not a holiday, right? Though it's a weekend, but wala pa masyado talagang tao dito. Nakakaalam o pumupunta dito. May pumupunta na dito mga vloggers. Meron na rin pumupunta dito ng mga few people who know the place. But I think this place deserves a good promotion or good marketing marketing plan or something. Ganda talaga ng lugar. Are you enjoying, Maggie? How about you try the slide? Go up the slide. Okay? Wow. You show them that you're brave. Child-friendly yung kanilang very child-friendly yung kanilang playset dito, yung kanilang playground. Okay. On a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice one. Okay, try the other slide.
I want the red one now.
Okay, the red one.
know.
Wow! Be, basta, okay ka lang? Cool. This is a parang bulwagan or activity area. May mga tables, wooden tables. Hindi basta-basta yung mga wood. Ano talaga to, timber or hardwood talaga tong ginamit dito sa mga tables, which gives it a patina, a very classic feel. Meron silang mga rattan, living room sets, yun. And of course the garden. I am a plant lover myself, so ayan, ganda talaga. Mga bonsai ang kanyang katawan, pero yung kanyang parang minarkot or nilagyan ng bougainvillea na klase-klase ang mga color. Meron din silang mga puno ng American lemons later. Tingnan natin. Here, nakatabon lang. If you wanna play billiards probably. So, that's close to the activity area or the bulwagan area. There you are. Ganda ng lugar. Just imagine, right now it's not really that cold yet, pero mamaya siguro we are expecting a little drop of temperature. Nasa mga 19 degrees siguro as forecasted. So very cozy, very nice place. At first akala ko swimming pool ito. Di pala, this is the bonfire area. So during chilly nights or cold weather, yan, pag nandito kayo ng family, you can actually use this place. This area is for bonfire activities. Yan, kita mo, ganda ng pagkakagawa. Very meticulous ang design. Maganda yung ginamit na mga cobblestones. Nice, very nice area. Well thought of ang concept ng fireplace or bonfire area. Yan, this was the area I mentioned kanina. Yan, American lemons. Ang dami nito. Sa likod meron pa, siguro dito lang na area na ito, nasa mga siguro 15 or 20 trees. Oh. Madali lang, you can even pick them. Oh, abot kamay lang yung lemon. Wow. American lemon. Laki ng mga walang binatbat yung kalamansi natin sa laki ng American lemon dito. Giant. If you look at the trees, it's similar to pomelo, parang gano'n. Paglapit mo pala, you're gonna smell the citrus or citrusy scent. Ganda talaga. Yan, so about 15, 12 trees siguro in this area. Hindi pa included yung doon sa kabilang area pa, opposite of this area na to. This can house up to 10 packs or more, 10 heads or more. Marami, malaki to eh. Pero yung rate nila is 10,000 for 10 heads, and then may additional na. May additional na siya pag more than 10. But I think this can house more than 10, even 20. Maganda. This is the terrace. Yan. Again, as you observe kanina, di ba? Doon sa parang bulwagan or near the bonfire, yung activity area nila. Yung kahoy ginagamit talaga dito. Classic talaga. Hardwood. I'm not sure what is this, Nara or mahogany. Wow! Yun. Classic. Oh. Vintage. Makina ni Lola. Lola nanay ko may ganito. Singer ang brand. Ngayon yung Singer kasi electric na eh. Pero, kinonvert nila, ginawan lang damahan sa taas. How brilliant. Wow. Okay, so parang loft. Ayan, dito yung sleeping area. Downstairs, I saw one room. Two rooms, no? So, I really think this can house more than 10 heads. Yung 10,000 kasi 10 heads yung nakalagay eh. Oh yes, this is the best view inside the house. Pagising mo ng umaga, kitang-kita mo kaagad dito yung cityscape. Overlooking view of Metro Davao. Ayan, there are 2 rooms. They're locked, but no need. I bet these are big rooms. Malalaki ito. Siguro makaano ito ng tig-5 or more than 5 siguro. 5 to 6 person siguro. Yan, this is the sala. And ito yung dining area, but you don't need that dining area because ang hahanapin mo dito yung dining area sa labas. Yung activity area. Ba? For families. Family of 20. Pwede dito. Iba rin yung view dito when you're on, dito sa terrace sa main house. It's different when you're downstairs. Parang konting akyat lang ng height, umiiba na ang perspective at saka yung view ng grounds ng buong property. Good evening, Mom. Are you ready for dinner? Not yet. Or what's for dinner? Anong ulam?
It's the one that I cooked kanina, adobong kisay.
Tisay? Kala ko tisoy. Okay. And a lot of rice. Okay. Yung ano, bangos, pituhin na natin. Yeah. Oh, wala na bangos. Tapos ka na wash dishes. Mamaya, kubrahin mo yung sweldo mo mamaya, ha? Mag-off duty ka man bukas, no? Kay ano man bukas? Oh. every time that I take a video of you, you always say welcome to our vlog.
Please like, and subscribe.
Wow.
And share.
How many birthday?
Ito nabilang. Anong klaseng flower yan? Oh.
Pag na-close siya, purple.
Ah,
Pero pag open
wow.
niya,
Purple. When closed. Pero pag open, it's violet. Blue violet. Lavender? Ay, hindi. Grabe. Giant photos. Super giant photos, oh. This is a Plantitas Paradise. Oh, tingnan niyo yung Dark Lord. Oh, yan. Ang laki ng Dark Lord. Sabi mo kanina, Be, mag-asawa ito na puno. Bihira na kasi ang ano.
Dark Lord.
Hindi ba itong puno ba mag-asawa? Hindi kasi ano, mahirap kasi ang dalawang puno itabi kasi compete sila for the nutrients. So pag nagkataon talaga na parang nagkaintindihan sila, no? Nag-co-survive sila. O ayan. In fair, nagkasundo sila. Nag-coexist sila. Believe ako sa maintenance ng lawn area nila, ng grounds nila, kasi talagang kanina nakita namin na may nag-grass cut talaga, and you will know that in the quality of the grass here growing, aside from the good climate, the good weather here, makita mo talaga na well maintained yung place. So just like any story, there has to be an end. So, I guess it's time to say this trip is adjourned, and it's time to head back home. I think I could say so far, ito yung pinaka-sulit na car camping that I have experienced. Aside from the location, which is just a few minutes outside of the city, I would consider yung rates nila na reasonable and affordable. In short, the place is just a few points of being awesome. I would highly recommend the place for an overnight stay. Just bring your casual dinner and breakfast from home, and that's it. By the way, if you like our videos, please don't forget to hit and like the share button. And of course, do subscribe on my channel. If you want to know more about the place and all the places where we have been on my other videos, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I would be more happy to chat with you. So long for now, and see you on our next adventure.